and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another slime challenge. So the reason I have not been posting a video in a while is because I broke my arm, but it is feeling a lot better, so I just decided it would be fun to do a slime challenge. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, so how this challenge is going to work is I made this big, fluffy, stretchy slime, and I'm going to divide it into 3 pieces. So it is now divided into 3 mostly equal pieces, and I will look away. So with just one of them, I'll look away, and I have 4 dies, and I will pick 2 of them, and then put it in the slime. And then at the end, once all 3 slimes are colored, I will mix them together and see what color it makes. Okay, so I am now looking away and I'm just mixing them up. And I promise I am not looking. And I think this is the slime. I'm not really sure. Alright, and I'm trying to stand them all up now. And I'm going to be picking these 2. I'm going to put the leftover ones over here. And I'm going to take the slime. I hope you can see it. And I'm just going to add in a little bit. I hope I add in at least like 1 drop. I'm afraid I'm just like not going to add in at all. I'm still not looking. I don't even know if I made it into the slime. I kind of feel like I didn't make it into the slime. Maybe I did though. Alright, and now I'm just going to mix it up. And in a couple seconds, I'm going to look to see what color it is. And I really hope you can see it. I'm still like not really sure if you can see it or not. Alright, I'm gonna look in 3, 2, 1. What colors did I get? Okay, this is interesting. So I got like an orangish color, and I got the yellow and the red. So I actually am okay with this color. I just really hope it doesn't turn out to be like a beige color at the end, or like a brown. But this is actually more orange in real life than on camera. For some reason, it looks kind of pink on camera, but it's a little more orange. So now it's time to go on to the second slime. So this is the second slime, and I am really excited and a little nervous because I'm afraid that it's just going to ruin the slime, because if I get red and green, it will turn brown. So I'm mixing them up. I'm not looking. And I'm going to pick this one. I cannot see. And this one. And then I'm put these 2 aside. I'm kind of wondering if I got the same colors. That would be kind of interesting. Wait, is this the one I opened? Oh no, it's not. This is the one I opened. This is really hard because I'm afraid I'm like not even hitting the slime. And now I'm going, I hope you guys can see it. I don't know where the tops are. I found one of them, but I feel like I'm gonna screw it onto the wrong one maybe. And then where's the other one? Here's the other one. Where's the top? Found it. Okay. I feel like I put the top on the wrong one. But now I'm going to mix up the slime. And right now it feels kind of watery. And the watery colors are like red and, no, not red, green and yellow, I think. So I kind of wondering if I did get red and green. But I really hope you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to put those colors over there. I don't really know. I kind of wonder if it's, I don't know. Alright, I'm going to look kind of soon, just because I really want to see what color it turned out to be. I'm going to look in 3, 2, 1. Oh, yay, I got purple. Okay, that's not terrible. I'm gonna get up on the dye that got off. Okay, so I got this really pretty purpley blue, and I like it a lot. And it's not fully mixed in yet. It's kind of grayish, but I'm actually surprised I did put the right cap on the right slime. So now it is time for slime number 3, which is also going to be my last slime. Okay, so this is the last slime. It does have a blue tinge to it because my fingers are dyed blue from my purple slime. And so I am going to now look away, and I'm going to mix up these colors, and I'm going to pick this one and this one. I kind of wonder, they kind of feel light, so I kind of wonder, I hope you guys can see this. I'm kind of wondering if I got the same colors again, like purple, not purple, blue and red, because that's the colors I got last time. And I'm kind of scared because I don't even know if I made it into the slime. The color, I don't really know the color, but it feels kind of watery again, so I'm kind of wondering. Actually, it doesn't feel that watery. I don't really know. This is gonna be hard. I kind of wonder if I'm gonna get brown at the end because I got purple, and then I also got orange. And purple and orange usually make brown sometimes, but then other times it will make like a, I don't really know. But I'm just gonna mix this one up and hope for the best. And then, like I said at the end, I'm going to mix them all up and see what color it makes. Alright, so I'm going to look in 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Oh, what colors did I get? No, that's not pretty. I think I got red and green, but I don't really know. I'm going to have to look back on the footage to see. But this is my other slime, and it's like a brownish, greenish color. It's not a very pretty color, which is too bad, but alright. Now I'm going to look back on the footage to see what 2 colors I got. Okay, so I looked back on the footage, and sadly I did get red and green. And if you add an equal amount, it will turn brown with the red and green, but since I added more green than red, it turned out to be like an army green. So I am now going to put away the colors, and I'm going to mix these up. So first I want to swirl them all, and I really like this orangish one and the purple one. I don't really like the green one, but this purple one's really pretty. And then I really like this orange one because it looks kind of pink. But I feel like at the end I'm going to get brown. It's kind of sad, but... Alright, so I just swirled them, and this is what it looks like. These are the 3 slimes, and I'm going to mix them up in just one moment. Alright, so... I really like this orange one. Probably the most. But now it is time for me to mix them up. Alright, so I'm going to do a swirl. That's really pretty actually, but I don't think it will be pretty for long. So it looks like the purple is overpowering the orange because like the green and purple are like working together to dominate the orange or something. Because it is kind of gray. This is not the color I expected, but I'm gonna mix it up the rest of the way. Oh yeah, I got like a brown. I always tend to get brown whenever I mix slimes together. I don't know why. I've done this twice, just off camera, And I got a beige one time and then like a really ugly green. I never seem to get a really pretty color. I mean, this is not actually that bad. It's kind of purple, but yeah. So this is my final slime and I'm going to swirl it. So I would actually say this is my best mixed slime out of the 3 I've done. I will show you them in just one moment. So these are the 3 slimes I've done in the past. I have this really ugly beige. This one was actually originally a really pastel green. But it was kind of like it's kind of hard to explain, but I colored this one to make it a little prettier. And then I added glitter to it. And then this one's the one I did today, and this is by far the most stretchiest and the nicest, and in my opinion, the best colored. This one actually is more purple, I would say, than brown. In real life, it looks more purple. It's kind of brownish purple / grayish. It's kind of a weird color. But these are my final slimes, even though I didn't do these in my video. But these are the slimes, and this one is my favorite because it's super stretchy and nice. So this is the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed, and make sure to comment on the discussion page or down below. Comment down below. It just depends on whether the comments are disabled or not, which slime you like the best. Like I said, this one's probably my favorite just because it's super stretchy and it is the biggest out of all 3 of them. So this is the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Bye.